Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's tip, I'm going to show you how to do a region to state drill down with a parameter action. In this example, we have profit by region. When I click on a region, we can see the profit by state. When I click on a different region, I now see the profit for those states. If I want to go back to the region level, I click on a state, click on it again, and now I'm back to profit by region. If you're new here, my name is Andy. I'm the founder of VizWiz.com. I'm here to help you become great at Tableau. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is make region a geographic field. If I double click on region, you'll see I get a dot for each region. I'm going to drag profit onto the color shelf. And now we see the profit per region. If I want to create a drill down with a parameter action, I need to first create a parameter. Let's click on the triangle and choose create parameter. And let's call this our region parameter. I'm going to change the data type to a string, and let's maybe set the current value to the east. Click on OK. Now I need to create a calculated field that tells Tableau what to do with that parameter. Let's create a new calculated field. Let's call this region to state. My calculation is going to be if the region parameter is equal to the region, then I want to return the state. End. So I don't want to do anything else if the parameter does not equal one of my regions. Let's click on OK. Now that we have our new field, let's click on the ABCs next to it and set it a geographic role. Choose geographic role, create from, and region, and drag that field to the detail shelf. And now you can see on the upper right hand side that I can see my states for the east. Well, that's because I set my parameter to be the east. Let's go ahead and create a parameter action. On the menu at the top, choose worksheet, actions, and I'm going to add a change parameter action. I'm going to call this one update region parameter. I want to run it on select. The target parameter is my region parameter. The source field is going to be my region. So I'm going to click on set value to, and I'm going to leave that as blank. Click on OK, click on OK again. And now when I click on the west, you'll see I now see the profit per state in the west. Click on the central, and now I see the profit per state in the central. Click on one of the states, click on it again, and I'm back to the region level. Last thing I would do here is clean up my tooltips. Click on the tooltip shelf. I'm going to move my region to the first line, and maybe I'll set that to be 12 point. My second line is just going to be my region to state field, and then my third line is going to be profit. Click on OK, and now when I hover over, I can see the central has 39,000 in profit. If I click on the central region, I can now see that central Texas has a negative profit. Central Kansas has a slightly positive profit. That's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please give it a like and don't forget to click on subscribe. I've got new tips every week.